starting from the year 2025.
Tnad PWD Shillong Central Division kadang penkre man Moamot ya ke Surok na Goraline sya MES bat lapentip ya kani do Menteri Sarkar uba elheng ublakan thok bakani ke Surok ladap an IT na Tnad ya dari sya Tnad PWD habakren kelap patai kubor uba hek ulaong nambar bakani ke Surok kelong ke balajot ratai ulah thok dakasiti hakini ki ar laituyo baladep sya brigadier MES ubadairu chief engineer ke MES Shillong zone hakaba hadian kani kalami ke jengekren ubah hek ulah pentip bakani ke Surok ke jrong palat shi kilometer haba penyusno lang bat ka Goraline ling bah ke MES haduk dam sinyong.
That road before it was under the jurisdiction of the MES, but now it has been given to the state PWD, that is the Shillong Central Division. So immediately I called the Shillong Central Division to had to start repairing of the work, and also since he also told me they have already started from the Goraline, so he will come up to do the repairing of that portion also. It will not be more than 1 kilometer combined with the Goraline and the MES. It will be more or less more than 1 kilometer.